Tabor International recognizes that in order to thrive within the Good Neighbor Plan and derive value by remaining within budget and selling unused banked allowances for profit, several key items will be necessary. First, unit operators will need a precise, real-time accounting of unit performance, the status of NOx allowances and market conditions, and projected over and under on allowances at the end of ozone season. Second, a flexible system to perform hypothetical scenarios of unit operation and allowance usage and trading will be critical for planning. Third, fully optimized combustion and post-combustion equipment to minimize NOx emission rates in all forms will be necessary for all units. Additionally, any platforms used should feature a simple-to-use, intuitive interface with automated functionality for notifications and decision-making. And finally, dispatch and unit operators will need support to understand and realize generation shifting and multi-unit optimizations and other considerations. Tabor International has been serving the electric utility and industrial space since 2006 with customized automation and optimization applications, achieving multiple performance improvements such as NOx minimization and heat rate optimization to meet each unit's distinct needs. 100% of Tabor's 40-plus deployed applications are still in active closed-loop use, providing real-time benefits. Tabor has constructed a NOx aggregator and optimization application specifically to provide the necessary functionalities for operating within the Good Neighbor Plan. These systems will be fully customized to the end user's needs to allow real-time monitoring and tracking of allowance usage and availability, real-time performance, allowance market and unit and fleet level costs, and the ability to input unit-specific characteristics and perform hypothetical scenarios for planning purposes. The system will be capable of representing multiple units, making possible optimized generation shifting and informing dispatcher prime dispatch levels for NOx allowance banking coupled with individual unit operating costs. Tabor's history of combustion optimization presents a proven record of achieving NOx minimization, many units realizing 20 to 30% or more NOx reduction with simultaneous improvements in unit heat rate and overall operating performance, including improved low load behavior and temperature stability during ramping. These monitoring and optimization deployments are readily available and can be rapidly installed and operational as quickly as 2 to 4 weeks with adequate site support. Tabor is dedicated and committed to the electric utility and industrial sectors and will be here to serve these areas for years to come with top quality monitoring, analytics, automation, and optimization applications and services. We pride ourselves in customer satisfaction and providing reliable, continually beneficial systems. Contact us today using the form below to get started with your free demo and assessment for your own NOx aggregator and optimization system.